What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have got this 100-year-old plus building behind me that we are currently transforming into a dispensary. We've got some demo, some framing going on here. Check this place out. We got all of our material. That's quite the shear wall, huh?
I don't understand why it would be like that.
Depending on what they need for shear values, they'll have to bulk up and do stuff like this along with the blocking. So the blocking's it looks like every 4 feet. They'll just call for different framing members. I bet you the nailing on this thing is so tight. Yeah, just from what we could see here, it's like 1 or 2 on center on panel edges. That's crazy.
2 on center?
Look, I mean, just what we could see right here. That's tight, real tight nailing. So what's funny is they ran their panel edging, they ran their panel sideways. So their other panel break is right here or
Oh yeah, you're right there.
somewhere in there. And that's why they have that. Just a crazy shear wall detail. This place had to have been played with not too long ago because this wouldn't have been done back in like the 90s. So I've got to get up in here and take off this scab piece here and there. We're gonna shoot these out, clear over to there. And then up against this wall here, build out a little wall, bring it off of this just a little bit. 'We've just been scattered around so much that we haven't had time to clean. Need to take a weekend and just get this thing organized. Stuff all over the place. This is scraps from a big deck on the beach. A-frames, I don't know what we thought we were gonna bring those for. I need the laser. Ha, there it is. I've had this PLS laser for an eternity. Like 5 or 6 years we've been using this thing, and it is a trooper. There we go. Which one is this? The 5G, the 6G. It's a beaut. Love it. Take this while we're at it. From 30 feet, this thing's within an 8. 100 years old, that's impressive. And this is a subfloor. There's a basement below us. That's real impressive. We'll transfer lines up to there, on that side, all the way through. And then same thing there. That way we know everything's nice and plumb. So we've got our laser line all the way down. This is in the way. Looks like we're gonna have to cut that out. All the way up, and then we will connect all the way over to there and down. Luckily we got this little joint here. Just cut over here. Beautiful. Now we got left side, right side. We're gonna get some plate in here in just a sec. Then Larry will put the plate down carefully, probably right all on this, make all of our cuts, put it here, put it up top, start working that. These green lasers work so much better than red. I could see them a lot better. I don't know about you guys. We're good there, we're good there. We paralleled off of this side. This is out of square, so we corrected this, pulled 8 foot, and then I think it was 11 foot 3.5, 11 foot 4.5. I forget what it is. I'll post the math.
11 foot, 3 3/4.
3 3/4. You remember it? Yeah. That's good. So we're good there. We'll snap on the floor. Even though we've got the tile chipped up everywhere we need it, want to make sure we're still using lines and making sure the stuff's done proper. These 2 tile are going to stay. The doorway is going to be right here, so they can reuse the flooring and don't have to replace it. That's a win. We'll get these snapped out. So we've got our bottom plate down, our doors laid out, everything's good all the way through. We just got our top plate put in all the way through up here. The first top plate, the one that's up against the drywall here, isn't going to have a layout on it. You can see it's just a nice clean 2x6. The second one though, that's facing down, that's where our studs will actually attach to. So now that that's up, we got our layout already put onto the plate. Matches down below. We're gonna build out this corner. We're over here, we need to get this plate in. And then we'll go ahead and stick frame, throw some studs in here. Sound good? Sounds good.
Tip. I know it's gonna sound stupid, but if you were to put your square right here, you're not gonna get a line. Look at, probably stupid, but just a quick tip from Steve. Steve's quick tips.
All right, we're closing out on day one. Looking good. Fun little spot. Commercial residence, a little bit different than the typical stuff we do. Need to strip off this baseboard. Wall's gonna come over, carry over to there. This will be the little entryway here. We'll have door access to, I'm guessing, a little office here, and then over to there as well. We've done quite a few commercial residences. Always fun.